Like it was so good. My writing is so bad because
We were talking to the patient, but wait, let me show you. See, my first ever patient. Not my, but yeah, someone's, but I saw. So my first ever patient.
Hi guys, as you can see I'm still wearing my apron. This is because I just got back from my college. You can see the time, it's 5:15. 5 minutes ago I got back from my college and I'm making this video because I wanted to share this with you guys. I was so excited to share this with you guys that first time we saw a patient. Hi guys, this is Nachal and I just got into third year of BDS and today was my second day of college. So today I had my medicine practical class and we all went there, me and my batchmates. So it was a batch wise class and when we went there it was a usual class. But when we went there a PG came and told that there's a patient which we can see. So we went to see the patient and I was so excited that finally for the purpose of which we are doing this whole thing is now like starting, because till second year we were all doing the preclinical work and finally it was the time for the clinical work. So we went there to see the patient. The patient was a 23-year-old male and he had some swelling on his left side of face. Also he was a diabetic patient. So at first the PG told us first we need to note the chief complaints what the patient has come for. Then we need to take the history of the patient. Then we need to note the vitals. So there were many things. So we took this page from sir and it has all the headings. So after explaining everything about what all things we need to note, he told us to talk to the patient and note about all the things that he is saying. So we sat there and we started talking to the patient, and again I'm so excited that, and then we started talking to the patient. He told us his name, then we took his age, all the details that are the general details we took. Then we noted the chief complaint. He came because he was facing pain, because he was facing some pain in the swelling that he was having on this face. We noted about the swelling. The swelling was from 3 days, and we also asked if he had some history of this, or so he said no, the swelling was for the first time ever. Then we asked that if he had some fever, cough or some other illness as well. So he told us that before coming to the hospital 3 days ago he had a fever, and after that he didn't had any kind of fever. So he told us all these things. He was a very cooperative patient, I must say, because he was having very difficulty in telling, but still he was ready to explain us everything and tell each and everything. Now he also told us that he has diabetes. Like, he was 24 years old, he has diabetes since 5 years of his age. So we noted all these things. This was all included in the history. Now he didn't had any kind of family history, so we assumed for now that it was type 1 diabetes mellitus. Then we saw his report. So the day when he came to the hospital his blood sugar level was almost 297, and today when we took the blood sugar level it was 170. We took his BP, we measured the pulse rate, and all the basic vitals we noted. And yeah, this was it, and this was my first ever patient experience, and I will never forget this experience ever in my life. So this was it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Achal with double A signing off.